Welcome to the APAS Internet Speed Test. This is a very easy test to take. It just takes a minute and it gives you a snapshot of how fast your internet is compared to the rest of Saskatchewan. So I'm just going to take you quickly through how to use it and you can see how fast your internet is. So the first thing you want to do is just make sure that it's finding your correct postal code. So enter your postal code in here, and then once you do that, it's as easy as hitting start. It's going to pull up this map, and this map is going to show you where the test thinks you're located. So if this isn't exactly right, you can drag this to another location, and once you're confident that that is where you are located, you can just hit OK. And that starts the test. You can see it's working. Right now it's calculating the upload speed, how fast data is uploaded to the internet. And this can take a little bit of time, just depending on how fast your internet is. Now it's calculating the download speed, how fast data is downloaded from the internet. And once that's done, your results are going to be plotted on the map of Saskatchewan. So you can see that all of these are tests that have been done in Saskatchewan, over 14,000 so far. And you can see that the red ones actually indicate that the service is less than the standards outlined by the CRTC. And as you get up through the colors, blue and darker blue indicate the service levels that the CRTC is recommending for all Canadians. So in this case, you can mostly see that if it's a blue dot, it's likely going to be in an urban center. Like here we see Saskatoon, it's pretty blue. And most of what we see in rural areas is pretty red. So this is a great tool for you to get a sense of how fast your internet speed is compared to what you're paying for to your service provider. And it's also a fantastic way for APAS to be able to gather data on the overall internet speeds in Saskatchewan so that we can take this information to elected officials to really advocate for change and better service. For more information about this project, you can learn more about our APAS Rural Connectivity Task Force at apas.ca/connectivity. And please tell your friends and neighbors about this test so that we can gather as much information about rural connectivity as possible.